Hey bud, we're just got something for you here. We're just here to ask you a few questions. Nothing too serious. Just gonna read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. You have any questions?
No.
I'm just gonna have you take a quick read of this.
Oh, what is it? What?
So what were you doing on the morning of September 11th, 2001?
September. I don't remember. Okay. I think I was studying probably.
What were you studying?
I'm not telling you nothing. Okay. I was studying for chemistry.
Studying what for chemistry?
Well, I was studying acids.
Well, explain it, smart guy.
Okay. What would you like to know?
So, why is it an acid?
Well, hydrochloric acid is an acid because in reactions, the hydrochloric acid likes to give away one of its hydrogen protons to the other substance to neutralize itself, giving it the title of a bronzed acid.
So, what's the chemical formula for that?
The chemical formula for hydrochloric acid is 3H, O positive, and chloride, negative.
And that makes hydrochloric acid?
Yeah.
Interesting. So, is this a strong or a weak acid? Where does that land on the pH scale?
So, on the pH scale, here, it lands lower on the 0 to 2 average. And it's a very, very strong acid because as you go lower onto the pH scale, it creates a stronger acid.
Interesting. So what are the physical and chemical properties of that?
The physical properties of hydrochloric acid is it's very, very clear and it's got a very, very potent smell. And it likes to mix with water.
And what are the chemical properties?
The chemical properties of hydrochloric acid is it's very, very acidic, it likes to mix with bases, and it dissolves metals over long periods of time.
Like steel beams? Does it melt those?
Not necessarily. It's more like it corrodes them over long periods of time, just like dissolving. Yeah.
Okay. So what's a chemical equation for that?
The chemical equation for hydrochloric acid is HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, plus sodium hydroxide, and then that turns into sodium chloride plus water. So it neutralizes it down.
Oh, so this is a neutralization equation.
Yes.
Interesting.
That's about as much coverage as you're going to get, Olkers. Anyways, I've been interrogated to tell you as much as possible about hydrochloric acid. You got it. Ugh.
So what do you know about Al-Qaeda?
Oh, what now?